Deal Street is all set for a big turnaround. That's the word coming in from ace deal maker Haigreve Khaitan, partner of Khaitan & Company, who's advised on marquee transactions like Hutch Vodafone and Vedanta Sesa Goa. In an exclusive interaction with ET Now's Ashwin Mohan, Khaitan says that both Indian corporates and MNCs are chasing acquisitions in sectors like pharma, IT and e-commerce. Let's hear him out.
Well, I see quite a robust pipeline, even though there are uncertainties, there are great opportunities. Some of the sectors I see, pharma, healthcare in general, a lot of activity, IT, BPO, e-commerce, great amount of interest in these sectors.
Sir, and the kind of activity that you're seeing in the deal world, are you seeing more inbound activity or are you seeing more outbound activity? What are the trends on that front?
I see both. So, gone are the times when, there's a herd mentality of inbound or outbound. It's very opportunistic, and which is very good. So the market has matured a lot, and there are common sense acquisitions. People are very opportunistic. So whether it's horizontal, vertical, so it's anywhere and everywhere where both Indian corporates and multinationals are looking for opportunities.
So on the regulatory front, there is one particular sector, namely the telecom sector, where the detailed M&A norms are being awaited. Right. How important would the norms be? Because telecom is a sector where consolidation is inevitable, because India already has a wide variety of telecom players, and the consensus seems to be that that number will dwindle once there is clarity on the M&A front.
Yeah. Absolutely. I think you've hit the right chord, because that's an area where we'll see a lot more activity as soon as the norms are finalized. And obviously there are so many players today. We can see with some of the regulatory issues, a lot of them are not viable. So I guess a lot of consolidation is inevitable in that industry.